Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
It's called Snapchat Drama. So first I teach the story. I did through a PowerPoint, through storytelling. I also showed a little video clip. And I say, hey, who wants to act it out? And so what I do is I prepare the story into short little statements. And I put them on slips of paper and I number them. And I want them to say their part 2 times, 2 different ways. And then I demonstrate each part. Jesus, my daughter is dying. Jesus, my daughter is dying. Please save her. Please save her. And so you see how I go through it twice, okay, each time, and I go through every part. So I ask them, put up your hand if you want a part, and then I hand out the parts to each child who wants to get up. They get up the front, line up in order, and I usually start with an opener on this one. I said, a large crowd surrounded Jesus when a Jewish leader named Jairus knelt down in front of Jesus.
Jesus, my daughter is dying. Jesus, my daughter is dying. Please save her. Please save her. I'm sorry, your daughter has died. I'm sorry, your daughter has died. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Only believe and she will be well. Only believe and she will be well.
Little girl, get up. Little girl, get up.
Give her something to eat. Give her something to eat.
And I say, everybody give them a big clap. Take a bow. And then I say, okay, now give your part to someone else and let them have a go at doing the Snapchat drama. So I could get another 7, 8, 9 people up the front and do the drama again. And if you'd like the scripts, I will be putting them up on my website. You can see all the links below. And I also have a whole playlist of these sorts of Snapchat dramas as well as some echo storytelling as well. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I pray you have a wonderful time teaching the kids about Jesus.